There's a new extension in Google Chrome that you can add that will enable you to leave voice comments for your students in Google Classroom, in Google Docs, and in Google Slides. And it's very simple to use. Your students do not need the extension on their end in order to access your voice comments. I'm going to start by just installing this extension, and I've included the link in the video notes. Just click on Add to Chrome. So first I'm going to add the extension just to Chrome, but it's going to ask you to give permissions to link with your Google Drive. Make sure you're using your district Google address for this. Once you install Mote, I'm going to go ahead and close that screen, and I'm going to open up a Google slide. And I'm going to refresh it because I've just installed this extension. So you'll notice it took a second, but you'll notice the purple circle with the M has now appeared on my Google slide. So if you open a Google slide file and you do not see that, make sure to click the refresh arrow and it should appear. You might have to close Chrome and then reload as well. All right, so I'm going to click the M. And to record, you just press the button. This is a test of the Mote extension. All you have to do is press Insert, and it creates a little recording icon that will appear on the slide, and you can move it to wherever you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and move it to the corner of the slide. Now, it functions slightly differently if you're in a Google Doc. If you're in a Google Doc, you can't use the Mote extension from within the file. You have to use the Chrome extension. So I'm clicking on the puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner. That's the extensions icon. And I'm going to pin that. So you'll see the little pin icon, click that. Then the little purple Mote circle appears. Now I can click on that Mote circle, make my recording. This is my test of the Mote extension in Google Docs. It says that it was copied to the clipboard. So now I have to go into the Google Doc and I'm just going to paste it. So I've pasted it in there. Make sure to press enter so that it activates that link. So in order to hear your voice recording, students have to click that link. Within Google Classroom, you can also leave your students voice instructions by clicking the purple Click to Record button. Now, to see what this looks like on the student side, I've logged into a demo student account and I'm in Google Classroom. And you'll notice as I scroll down on the stream page that there is a Mote voice note embedded, and I'm going to click on that. And it just opens up and it says that there is a note, and if I click on it, then I can listen to it. Within the Classwork tab, I can also embed voice notes in my assignments, and I can, again, attach assignments that also include the Mote extension. So I'm going to click on that slide deck you saw earlier, and there's the little Mote button in the corner that has my recording. And again, I just click on it, and it will play right within slides. I also can open up that Google Doc that I showed you earlier. Now remember, Google Doc functions a little differently with Mote than slides. Here I have the link. And again, it's going to direct me to a Mote page, and there is that voice recording. So I hope that this video encourages you to try out leaving voice notes for your students for feedback, motivation, encouragement in these last few weeks of school within their slide decks, and their docs, and within your Google Classroom.